Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
About 6 months after His Royal Majesty Kingsley Orereh, Igbi II, was crowned the Ovia of Agbarha Warri Kingdom, the Delta State government last weekend presented him with his staff of office at a glamorous event held in Ogunu, Warri South local government area. Described as a divinely ordained king, the people said the monarch is God sent to change the fortunes of the kingdom. His Royal Majesty Igbi II is the second officially gazetted monarch to rule the kingdom as a king, which until 1997 was governed by the eldest person in the kingdom. In his address before handing over the staff of office, Governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori, represented by his deputy, Sir Monday Oyeme, urged the monarch to champion the cause for peaceful coexistence within and outside the kingdom. The atmosphere was electric as the people of Agbarha Warri Kingdom in Warri South local government area of Delta State gathered to witness the presentation of staff of office to the revered monarch, His Royal Majesty Kingsley Orereh Igbi II, by the Governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori, last Friday. Their joy was palpable. One could almost touch it. This is coming 6 months after he was crowned on December 5th, 2023 by the Council of Chiefs led by the eldest man in the kingdom, otherwise known as Okpako, to administer the affairs of the Robo-speaking people of Agbarha Warri Kingdom. A host of traditional rulers from within and outside the state, led by the Orereh of Ukpe Kingdom and chairman of the Delta State Traditional Council, His Royal Majesty Major General Felix Mujakpero retired, federal and state legislators, amongst other top government functionaries, joined the people of the kingdom and its king in its official recognition by the state government.
Of office, Royal Majesty, the moment we've been waiting for, the Ovia, yes, of Agbarha Warri Kingdom. Yes. Ataneru. Go and look at the television. Look at the television. Ataneru. Yeah. Look at the television. Look at it.
While speaking at the event, the Deputy Governor of Delta State, Sir Monday Oyeme, who represented the Governor, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori, congratulated His Royal Majesty Igbi II on his successful ascension to the throne of his ancestors. He further urged him to unite the people for the peace and development of the area and the entire state.
Government, therefore, has every good reason to look forward to an enduring atmosphere of calmness and the attendant sustainable development in this kingdom.
Traditional rulers who spoke to our crew at the ceremony felicitated with the monarch and the illustrious people of Agbarha Warri Kingdom on this landmark occasion.
That it shall be well with the people of Agbarha Warri Kingdom, and they shall endeavor to work with their king so that development and progress can come. As he is my closest neighbor, we are going to give him every necessary support and we are going to work together.
Visibly excited youths, women and chiefs in the kingdom, beautifully dressed in their traditional attire, celebrated their king with enchanting songs and reverberating dance steps. They described him as a man with pedigree who possesses a deep understanding of the culture and history of the people that can bring about meaningful progress and development in the kingdom.
He's the best choice of the Agbarha Kingdom. He will bring development, understanding and unity to the Agbarha Kingdom.
The king is a nice king. Yeah. He's a very generous king. Yeah. He's a man of personality. Yeah. We are proud of him. Yeah. The Agbarha is proud of him. Yeah. The general women are proud of him. Yeah. The full community are proud of him. We are happy for him to become our king.
Both indigenes and residents in the kingdom say that since His Royal Majesty ascended the throne in December last year, he has displayed great commitment to social harmony and economic prosperity, as well as the well-being of all and sundry in the kingdom. For his part, His Royal Majesty Kingsley Orereh Igbi II, who emerged from a keenly contested process, said he was motivated to throw his heart in the ring as a result of his profound sense of duty at a time when the kingdom needed a leader who could negotiate a better deal for his people.
Mandela emerged as the president of South Africa. Do you know what he said? He said, let bygone be bygone. Let's build a new South Africa. What I'm saying to my people and my neighbors is that bygone is bygone. Let's build a new Warri where we will have equal share and live together as one. The way it used to be when we were growing up, all of us were equal. Nobody was calling anybody slave.
His Royal Majesty Igbi II is the second gazetted monarch of Agbarha Warri Kingdom in Warri South local government area of Delta State. He succeeded His Royal Majesty London Afoheri II, MAMODE II, the first to rule the kingdom under the current system. The kingdom appointed its first king in 1998 after the Warri crisis of 1997, which stemmed from the territorial struggles among the Urhobo, Ijaw, and Ishekiri ethnic groups that occupy the Warri metropolis. The reign of His Royal Majesty MAMODE II was marked by peace and inclusivity, fostering harmonious relationships with neighboring communities. This era of tranquility did not only strengthen the intercommunal bonds, but also facilitated development and growth within the kingdom. His Royal Majesty Igbi II has built on this foundation by prevailing in dialogue and diplomacy in managing the kingdom's affairs. This approach has created an environment where all groups can coexist and collaborate for shared progress and prosperity, maintaining mutual trust and respect with each other.
Inside the Niger Delta,